Unlock exclusive real estate agent leads for your property deals with this powerful batch leads strategy. First, navigate to the property search feature within Batchleads. This is where you'll pinpoint the properties you're interested in. Enter the address of a property you want to learn more about, be as specific as possible to narrow down your results, and find the right match. Once you've selected a property, look for the dedicated agent section or tab within the property details. This is your gateway to agent information. Here, you'll find the contact details of the real estate agent associated with that particular property. This includes their name, brokerage, and importantly, their phone number and email address. Having this direct contact information is invaluable. It allows you to reach out to a professional who already has a vested interest and knowledge of the property. You can now directly connect with these agents, offering your services, discussing potential marketing strategies, or exploring deal opportunities they might have. This targeted approach maximizes your chances of sparking meaningful conversations and uncovering lucrative opportunities within the real estate market. Start leveraging Batchleads today to connect with the right agents and close more deals.